banta ng krimen ay baril na laging nakatutok sa ulo ng taong bayan.
Para labanan ito, mayroong pangunahing puwersa na nagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at kaayusan sa ating pamayanan. Ito ay walang iba kundi ang ating kapulisan.
Our main aim is to protect and serve the community. Napapaloob yun sa mission ng Philippine National Police.
At bilang bahagi ng PNP, ito rin ang misyon ng mga magigiting at matitipunong lalaki at babae ng Manila Police District SWAT.
SWAT stands for Special Weapons and Tactics. It is an elite unit.
Tulad ng mga top caliber athletes na nangunguna sa kanilang mga laro, dumadaan din sa madalas at matinding pagsasanay ang bawat miyembro ng SWAT.
Try natin mabuti kasi sila ang responde nga doon sa mga critical at sensitive na situation.
Meron tayong 6 na hostage taker.
Kung magkaroon man ng confrontation, kailangan nasa safety yung ating mga community.
Yun lang ang neutralize nyo, ha? Yun lang ang target nyo, okay? Okay, insert magazine. Load and lock. Standby. Go!
Yung primary, to give protection at hindi sila yung maging biktima tulad ng stray bullets. Kailangan ay hindi sila ma-accidentally shot by our responding elements. At pangalawa naman, maproteksyonan naman nila yung sarili nila. Kasi may kasabayan tayo, how can you protect the community if you cannot protect yourself?
The reason why these guys are so good in the field is because of their constant marksmanship and firearms proficiency training.
Kaya naman kasama natin ngayon si Police Officer 2 Joseph Ruiz at si Captain Baltasar Beran. Siya yung Range Administrator sa Manila Police District Firing Range. Tuturuan niyo kami ngayon, di ba?
Yes.
Alright! Bago kami nagpatuloy, ipinaalam sa amin ni Captain Beran ang 4 basic rules for gun safety.
First, consider every gun as loaded. Never let the muzzle of a gun point at anybody. Keep the trigger finger off on the trigger housing group. Ensure that nobody's around you when you made the decision to shoot. Every shooter must memorize that by heart. Because even though you are a very good shooter, if you will forget the rules of gun safety, you are zero to me.
Okay, meron ba tayong mga...
Earplugs.
Yes.
Ngayon, ide-demonstrate muna ni PO2 Ruiz sa amin para alam namin kung paano siya gawin mamaya. Okay?
Yes.
So always stick your finger out, then assuming you insert the magazine, then you cock, then you load, then save, assuming that is loaded already. So you may aim to your target, you get the front sight and rear sight level to the target, and finger in, then disengage the safety, then slowly pull the trigger. That's it.
We will now demonstrate and show to our co-host. Shooters, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Up.
Matapos ang theoretical and practical demonstration, ginawa naman namin ni Wawi ang lahat ng kanilang itinuro.
Good.
Good. Since all your hits combined here, you have a 100%.
Yay!
Tingnan mo, Wawi, oh. Kanina binutas mo na.
That's one hole.
Sinundan mo pa ng isa.
Yeah.
Bilang mga baguhan, maganda ang aming naging performance pero di hamak na mas nakakabilib ang firearms proficiency ni na PO2 Ruiz at Captain Beran.
Hindi overnight na-develop ang skill na ito. Mahabang panahon ang kanilang ginugol sa firing range at marami-raming bala din ang kanilang napaputok.
Napaka-importante itong pagte-training, pagsasanay na ganito para pagdating sa actual combat sa labas, sa pagpapatupad ng aming trabaho, nakakasiguro ang ating publiko na marerespondihan natin ng maayos at walang matatamaan na bystanders because of our accuracy.